Good morning, everybody. My name is Sean Silvey. I'm a product application specialist with Fluke Corporation. Today I'm going to focus on a few products that'll help the heating and air conditioning guy out in the field. Right now we're offering our Pack 30 backpack. The Pack 30 has over 30 pockets that you can fill your tools in. We have everything from a side pocket that's going to allow you to pull your tablet out when you're working out in the field, or a clipboard. Several side pockets coming into it, as you can see. And then finally the main compartment. The main compartment has a complete set of tools. First and foremost, you need a meter. Fluke right now has the 116. It's our HVAC meter. This meter will check your temperature, voltage up to 600 volts. You can even do your microamps for your flame sensors, your flame rectifiers. Next meter I want to pull out, the 902FC, is a current clamp and volt meter all in one. Great thing about this tool is you can measure up to 600 amps AC on it, as well as you can do 600 volts AC/DC. This clamp also does temperature, and it does your microamp testing as well. Now out in the field, if you're doing any heating and air conditioning, you're going to need a temperature humidity meter. The 971 temperature humidity meter will allow you to do your wet bulb, your dew point, your humidity, as well as your temperature. This is a great tool when you're balancing out your heat pumps and your AC units. So any type of gas-fired unit, it's going to emit some CO, some carbon monoxide. Fluke offers our CO2 20 carbon monoxide meter. This thing will go from 0 to 999 parts per million. So we also have our 922 mini manometer. The 922 is a great tool, comes with two different hoses. You can get your static pressure checks, and especially when you're trying to get your total static pressure against your coils, your filters, you can see how your system is working. There are times when you need to make an insulation test. Fluke offers our 1587 FC insulation tester. An insulation tester is really another term for a megger. So a lot of times we'll need to do a test on that insulation, whether it's on the compressor or out on the motor. So this meter itself can go up to 1,000 volts when making an insulation test. The great thing on a couple of our products is you'll see the letters FC. FC stands for Fluke Connect. You're able to link in the unit with your smartphone, and then therefore save data and download data. You can actually record with most of the meters that say FC. It's a great tool to show what a product is doing. Maybe you have a troubled compressor. You can hook up an FC unit, make those measurements overnight, come back to them the next day and make those measurements.